Hey guys, today I'm gonna make this quick video and show you what you're getting for your money. As you know, some of these cans can be pretty pricey, and I'm showing you how far the straw goes to the bottom and how much paint you'll be wasting when you think the can is done. As I was opening these cans, I noticed that the Montana cans, the straw doesn't even reach the bottom or to the corner of the can. See, an Aliens, the 94. I like 94 a lot, but I mean, come on, at least make it reach to the corner, you know? We'll pay all this money for that. Montana Gold. And if you guys haven't heard about Liquitex, not the greatest. It's really runny. It's really thin paint. I mean, it's okay, but look at that. And plus, the can is like $10 or more for one can. I just bought two just to see how it was. I didn't like it. I'm not buying it again. Rust-Oleum. Look at that. Shame. The ones that do reach the bottom is Belton High Pressure. I mean, those are expensive too, but they actually give you what you pay for. So, God Evolve. It's a really good paint too. It's similar to Iron Lac. Sabotage. Fresh Paint. Iron Lac Reload. Regular Iron Lac. And Montana Black, little mini pocket can. For some reason, the Montana pocket can reaches the bottom. I think it's just because it's the black label, but still, that makes no sense. So when I open up a bigger can for the black line, I'll take a look to see if you know, it's the same. And yeah. Anyway, these are the ball bearings. Some of them come with glass balls. Some of them come with metal ball bearings. And if you open like these cans, like the Montana, they all come with ball bearings, metal ball bearings. Those are obviously the most expensive. That's probably why they're so much when you buy it, because metal obviously costs more. And so the glass are cheaper, and a lot of the other cans, they use glass, like the Iron Lac uses it, Fresh Paint, Sabotage, and Rust-Oleum. So I'm just showing you or try to help you make a better decision on what paint you want to get, or you know, what paint will be left over if, you know, you use it. So there it is.